All right, guys, we got this Banks 23 gauge pin nailer. I got this from Harbor Freight. It's fairly inexpensive. I think it's around 25 bucks. I'll have to look again. I'll put a link down in the description. We're going to go ahead and get into this. Here it is. It's in the bag. Let's take it out. It's pretty small. This tag on there says a load 23 gauge nails, 1/2 to 1 inch nails only. I bought 1.5, so I'm gonna have to take these back. Looks like it has an extra driver for the nails and a couple Allen wrenches here. Little instruction manual. Okay, so I got the proper nails here. These are 3/4 inch. This nail gun goes up to 1 inch, so I bought 3/4 inch and 1 inch just to test it out. It says to oil it right here, so I'm going to put a couple drops of this lubricating oil for air tools in there. These are incredibly small. They have arrows that identify which way needs to point out of the gun. Don't forget your safety. This has no safety built onto it to where you need to press it against something, so it'll just shoot. That is incredibly small. Going to see how well it goes into these two boards. Pretty good. There we go. Those only penetrated a little bit because these are the 3/4. I also have inch, but it did hold it together pretty well. That trim's gonna work pretty good. Just leaves little tiny holes that could be covered up with the finish. Overall, it works great. I'm happy with it. It's only $25, and I think it was a good buy. Thanks for watching.